Bringing your newborn home is a joyous occasion, filled with anticipation and love. As you prepare for this new chapter, ensuring your baby's safety is paramount. One of the most critical aspects of protecting your little one, especially during travel, is choosing the right car seat. Car crashes are a leading cause of injury and death for young children, making a properly installed and age-appropriate car seat an absolute necessity. A car seat acts as a protective cocoon, designed to absorb impact and minimize forces exerted on your baby's delicate body during a sudden stop or collision. It's not just about following the law, it's about providing the safest possible environment for your precious cargo. Remember, even a minor fender bender can have serious consequences without the proper protection. Choosing the right car seat can feel overwhelming with the multitude of options available. This guide will navigate you through the essential factors, empowering you to make an informed decision that prioritizes your baby's well-being. From understanding different types and safety features to proper installation techniques, we'll cover everything you need to know to ensure a safe and secure ride for your little one. As you embark on your car seat quest, you'll encounter two main categories designed for infants: newborn car seats and convertible car seats. Each type has its own set of features, benefits, and considerations that can make a significant difference in your child's safety and comfort. Understanding their differences is crucial in selecting the optimal choice for your baby's first ride home. It's not just about picking a seat, it's about ensuring your baby's safety and your peace of mind. Newborn car seats, as the name suggests, are specifically designed for newborns and smaller infants. These seats are tailored to provide the best possible support for the youngest passengers. These seats typically feature a smaller and more snug fit, providing optimal support for their delicate bodies. The padding and design are crafted to cradle your newborn securely, ensuring they are both safe and comfortable. They come equipped with a carrying handle, making it convenient to transport your sleeping baby from the car to a stroller or indoors. This portability is a significant advantage for parents who are always on the go. Convertible car seats, on the other hand, offer greater versatility as they can be adjusted to accommodate your child's growth. These seats are designed to evolve with your child, providing a longer-term solution. These seats can be used in both rear-facing and forward-facing positions, transitioning as your child grows and reaches the weight and height limits specified by the manufacturer. This adaptability can save you from purchasing multiple seats as your child grows. When deciding between a newborn and a convertible car seat, consider your lifestyle and budget. Think about how often you'll be traveling, the convenience factors, and how much you're willing to invest up front. If you anticipate frequent car travel with your newborn, or prefer the convenience of a lightweight and portable seat, a newborn car seat might be the ideal choice. These seats are designed for easy mobility, making them perfect for parents who are always on the move. However, if you're looking for a long-term investment that can grow with your child, a convertible car seat offers greater value and longevity. These seats are built to last through multiple stages of your child's early years, providing a cost-effective solution in the long run. Additionally, it's always a good idea to read reviews and do some research before making your final decision. Other parents' experiences can provide valuable insights and help you make a more informed choice. Remember, proper installation is key to ensuring your baby's safety. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and, if possible, have your car seat installation checked by a certified technician. Ultimately, the right car seat is one that fits your baby, your car, and your lifestyle. By taking the time to understand your options and make an informed decision, you can ensure that your baby's first journeys are safe, comfortable, and enjoyable for the whole family. Modern vehicles and car seats often come equipped with the LATCH system, an acronym for Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children. This system provides a standardized method for installing car seats without using the vehicle's seat belts. While LATCH offers convenience and ease of use, it's essential to understand its limitations. LATCH systems have weight limits that vary depending on the car seat and vehicle manufacturer. It's crucial to consult both the car seat and vehicle manuals to determine the applicable weight limit. Exceeding the weight limit can compromise the system's effectiveness in a crash, potentially putting your child at risk. Another limitation of LATCH systems is the potential for incompatibility between certain car seat and vehicle models. The spacing and location of latch anchors can vary, and not all car seats are compatible with all vehicle latch systems. Always test the fit of your car seat in your vehicle before purchasing to ensure compatibility. While latch systems offer convenience, it's essential to remember that seatbelt installations can be equally safe when done correctly. Don't hesitate to use the vehicle's seatbelt if you encounter compatibility issues or exceed the weight limit for latch. Section 4. Essential safety features, rear-facing harnesses and ratings. When choosing an infant car seat, prioritizing safety features is paramount. The safety of your child during travel is non-negotiable, and selecting the right car seat can make all the difference. Look for seats that meet or exceed safety standards and incorporate features designed to provide optimal protection for your little one. These standards are set by various safety organizations and are crucial in ensuring that the car seat can withstand the forces of a crash. One of the most crucial safety features is rear-facing positioning. This positioning is recommended because it provides better support for the child's head, neck, and spine in the event of a collision. Keeping your child rear-facing for as long as possible, at least until they reach the maximum weight or height limit allowed by the car seat manufacturer, is essential. This is because the rear-facing position is the safest way for young children to travel. In a crash, a rear-facing car seat supports your child's head, neck, and spine, minimizing the risk of injury. The seat absorbs the impact and distributes the force across the child's body, which significantly reduces the likelihood of severe injuries. Another essential safety feature to look for is a 5-point harness system. This system is designed to secure your child firmly in the seat, preventing excessive movement during a crash. This type of harness secures your child at 5 points, 2 at the shoulders, 2 at the hips, and 1 between the legs. Each point of the harness helps to distribute the forces of a crash more evenly across the child's body. The 5-point harness distributes the force of impact over a wider area, reducing the risk of injury. This distribution is crucial in protecting the most vulnerable parts of your child's body during a collision. Before making a purchase, check for up-to-date safety ratings from reputable organizations such as the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. These ratings provide valuable insights into the car seat's performance in crash tests. These organizations conduct rigorous crash tests and provide ratings based on factors such as crashworthiness, ease of use, and installation. By consulting these ratings, you can make an informed decision and choose a car seat that offers the best protection for your child. Section 5. Installing your car seat, latch versus seatbelt. Once you've chosen the perfect car seat, proper installation is crucial. The safety of your child depends on it, and understanding the different methods available can make a significant difference. In this section, we will explore the 2 primary methods of car seat installation: the latch system and the vehicle's seatbelt. Both methods, when executed correctly, provide a secure and reliable way to keep your child safe during travel. A correctly installed car seat ensures that it functions as intended, providing optimal protection for your child. This means that in the event of a sudden stop or collision, the car seat will be able to absorb the impact and keep your child securely in place. It's not just about strapping the seat in, it's about making sure every component is properly aligned and tightened. You can install a car seat using either the latch system or the vehicle's seatbelt, both of which offer secure and reliable options when done correctly. The latch system, which stands for lower anchors and tethers for children, is designed to make car seat installation easier and more consistent. On the other hand, the seatbelt method is universally compatible with all vehicles and car seats, making it a versatile option. If using the latch system, locate the lower anchors in your vehicle's back seat. These anchors are built into the vehicle and are specifically designed to hold the car seat in place. They are usually found in the space where the back of the seat meets the seat cushion, making them easy to access. These anchors are typically marked with a symbol and are located where the back of the seat and the seat cushion meet. This symbol is often a small icon of a child in a car seat, making it easy to identify. Knowing exactly where these anchors are can save you time and ensure that the car seat is installed correctly. Attach the car seat's lower connectors to the anchors, ensuring a secure and snug fit. It's important to hear a click sound, which indicates that the connectors are properly latched onto the anchors. After attaching, give the car seat a firm tug to make sure it doesn't move. If using the vehicle's seatbelt, route the seatbelt through the designated belt path on the car seat, following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Each car seat has a specific belt path designed to hold the seat securely in place. Make sure to pull the seatbelt all the way out to engage the locking mechanism, which will keep the seatbelt tight. Ensure the seatbelt is securely fastened and tighten it until the car seat moves no more than 1 inch from side to side at the belt path. This step is crucial for the safety of your child, as a loose car seat can be dangerous in the event of an accident. Always double-check the tightness by giving the car seat a firm shake. Regardless of the installation method, always double-check your work before placing your child in the car seat. This includes checking that all connectors are securely fastened, the seatbelt is locked, and the car seat does not move more than 1 inch in any direction. It's always a good idea to have a second person inspect the installation to ensure everything is correct. The car seat should be tightly secured and should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back at the belt path or lower anchors. This final check ensures that the car seat is ready to provide the maximum protection for your child, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road.